The church has been silent ever since the government published the proposed constitutional and electoral reforms for amendment to Parliament. However, this has caused panic among its politicians and civil society organizations that had demanded for these reforms since last year. Some politicians and activists had started poking fingers in the nose of the church, accusing it of not walking the same talk in demand for constitutional and electoral reforms. But as the clock ticks to the countdown of February 2016 polls, the Catholic Church has broken the silence over the subject matter. Kampala Archdiocese Apostolic Vicar Monsignor Katenda says government has to amend the electoral reforms to ensure free and fair elections come 2016.
Past elections have lacked that aspect of level ground, and that means they reflect an unjust. So the elections turn up to be unfair and unfree. This time around, we want free and fair elections. Hence, electoral reforms are a must.
Monsignor Katende says this will help politicians compete on a level ground, and to him the demand is necessary.
We know that the ground has not been level, and so the electoral reforms are about leveling the ground. You cannot play on a field which is rough on one side of the team, and the other side enjoys, smooth. So there's imbalance, there's injustice.
As different politicians warm up for campaigns scheduled for November this year, electors have been cautioned to listen and vote wisely for those who will address their problems.
Articulate values and elect according to values. And those of us who are Christians, love is the paramount value. Love for our country, what we call patriotism, and love for our neighbor, so that we don't elect selfishly.
Corruption during elections is another vice worrying the church. Monsignor Katende advised Ugandans to stay focused and not be deceived by material gains.
If someone, bribes you, that you'll be selfish and that you'll be betraying the country. But let us, vote according to our consciences, not according to the envelopes we are going to get or the soap or what have you.
This was during a groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the priest's residence with Adoration Chapel and parish offices at St. Charles Gwanga Catholic Parish in Tinda.
Once a church is declared a parish, it's a prerequisite that there must be a parish priest's house. Currently, the priest stays in the minister's village, where one of the well-wishers gave us their house at half the price.
Construction works are scheduled to take place within 6 months at a tune of 500 million shillings. Shamim Batalwo, WS News.